Hey, you pay for all the transport?
Only transport. 100 chicks, they give you pay 150 for transportation because it comes from far. At 3 months, it will be weighing like 7 kilograms to 6, like that. They told us once we lay them well, and they reach in time of selling them, they will get for us the market in case we fail to get the market where to sell them.
So this evening, my friend called me and she told me one of the most exciting news, You know, when you're doing poultry, you would also love your friends to do it because it's such an amazing venture. So my friend gave me a call and she told me about her new project. And I was so thrilled, and luckily she's agreed to speak to us about how she's feeling about this whole project. So what happened is, of course, she's going to tell us the whole story, but there's a certain NGO, and it's been giving out, chickens to those people who are willing to raise these chickens. Of course, we shall learn about the details because after this visit, I'm going to have a conversation with the project manager, and he'll give us all the details why he came up with this initiative. What has been happening is that the government uses its people, to carry out these initiatives. However, it has been using wrong people because these chickens have not been arriving. They have not been received by these people in the community. So the people have not been benefiting. But this time around, this person who has been lobbying or who has initiated this project decided he's not going through the government, those government entities, and he decided he will reach the local people by himself. And that's how my friend actually ended up being one of the beneficiaries of this project. And she's going to tell us about herself, and she'll tell us about the details, how she's excited, because I'm excited for her. Thank you for having me in your humble space with your farm.
Right, you're welcome.
How is your evening today?
My evening is very fine. I'm very happy.
With your babies?
With my babies.
Tell us about yourself.
I'm called Kamashan Jessica. I'm here at Chiburi Mtajas. I'm really happy to have my friend. She came to visit me to see my babies, my chicks. They are here. They are well. They have no problem since I brought them from Monday. I can see they are active. They are growing very fast. Actually, at first I had even got scared because I have never got even these chicks, young ones. Yes, but now since I got them, I can see they are very active.
You had told me that they were supposed to give you 1 month old.
Oh no, 1 week.
1 week.
Yes.
So what happened? What changed?
They told us when I went there, they gave us that one of 1 day because they had a lot of people ordering them, so they could not keep them for 1 week. Really? So they decided to give it out as for 1 day. Yes.
So how did you learn about these people, Banang?
Actually, it's
she's one of the most, I don't know, fundamental people I've met in my life, and she keeps inspiring me.
I met a friend of mine in our constituency in Kasanda. Then she got that chance, then decided to bring that opportunity to us as Kasanda women and youth agents. Then they brought that opportunity to us. For me, immediately when she told us, I grabbed the opportunity.
And I remember you told me you had this structure.
Yes, I had this structure. Yes, I had this structure. It was there empty. I had no capital to put in. So when that chance came in, immediately for me, I just grabbed the chance, the opportunity.
So what happened to the previous project?
The previous project was good, but when I sold them, when I remained with some, I got some thieves. Then took all my chicks, and then I got disappointed and I decided to leave. But this time around, I got up again with courage, and even I had put security. Then there is nothing that can be taken out with thieves.
Thank God for that. So you were telling us what does it take for someone to receive these chickens?
Now those people, that lady, she's called Nazwa Annette. She's the immediate contact. You can contact her, and she takes out your contact and your identity card, and register you. Then you pay some little transport for bringing your chicks.
Hey, you pay for all the transport?
Only transport. For the 100 chicks, they give you pay 150 for transportation because it comes from far.
I see.
Yes,
also, I think the fees also include some things like hatchery and all that.
Not that.
Just the transport.
Just the transport.
Fair. That's fair enough. So you paid. Were you not like scared that you were being scammed?
Of course I did, but since I'm a born again, I have faith within me. When they told us, I raised my faith and I paid the money. Actually, I paid the money for 600 chicks.
Really?
Yes.
600?
No, for 500 chicks.
Are they 500?
No, those are 100. Then 400 was for my friend. Yeah, but she paid through me because it's only me who knew that lady. So they gave me money, they trusted me and gave me the money, and then I took it to that lady. She also paid for us and brought. And I want to thank Mr. Latif. He's the
head of the project.
The head of the project. Latif, thank you so much for robbing to us this project. We are very, very happy and excited.
So what does this project mean to you?
It means a lot to me because I'm expecting a lot from it. Actually, it has given me even a courage of getting more because I can see investment, the money in it. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I know you are a busy woman. She's a very busy woman. I'm just wondering how she's going to take care of these chicks. How are you going to handle it with your busy schedule?
My busy schedule, I will handle it because I'll make a timetable for myself and time. I know I will be waking up very early and work on my chicks. Then after, I have a girl who is going to work on it, whom I will be leaving here. Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. You know, Jessica, there are so many things that must be done in the community. And I think this is a very good initiative for the community.
Yes.
What do you think?
Actually, even in the community, when this opportunity came in, I tried to tell the community, mostly for that church where I fellowship from. I tried to tell them, and even one of members is the one who ordered for that 400. And I'm still, since they got to know, some they have little faith, they got scared that maybe they eat their money, they could be going to be scammed. But since they saw this project of mine and the other one, they have now started ordering.
I see.
Yes.
Wow, that's interesting to know. And by the way, she actually told me, and that's how I think as a community we should work. Once you learn on something that is capable of changing people's lives, don't keep it yourself. Yeah, you should be sharing with others so that you can live all together as a community. So these chicks, what plans do you have for them? I know how old are they now?
They are now 4 days.
4 days. What plans do you have for them?
For the market, the good thing of this project, or of this project, these people who gave us this project, actually they told us once we lay them well and they reach in time of selling them, they will get for us the market in case we fail to get the market where to sell them.
Really? Yes. So at what age? What age are you going to sell them off? 4 weeks, because these are broilers.
Yes.
They are for meat.
Yeah,
we usually sell them at 4 weeks. Are you planning to sell them at 4 weeks?
No. For me, I'm going to sell it at 3 months.
Yes. 3 months.
Yes.
Wow. That's quite a lot of time. And they told you how many kilograms do they weigh at 3 weeks?
At 3 months, it will be weighing like 7 kilograms to 6, like that.
And how much would they cost at that weight?
At that weight, it will be 70 or 65.
Wow, that's quite something. That means you have to sit down and plan very well how much it will cost you to raise them for 3 months.
Yes.
And then you look at the price you get.
Yes.
And see if you're in business.
Yeah.
Perfect. So as we finish our conversation, Jessica, I want you to give a message to women out there.
Women out there, if you're at home, you don't have what to do, you are just there at home, please get some press, even if a small press like mine now. It's not big. It's a small press, but at least I can try to put there like 200 to 300 chicks. But it's a small press. So if you are there at home, don't just keep quiet and become lazy. Don't just sit on the mizigo people and gossiping, start gossiping. Just make yourself busy. Get chicks like this one, they will make you busy. Like now for me, from morning up to evening, I'm very busy here. Like now these younger ones, they keep you busy. You cannot even get time of gossiping or conversing with other people. You are busy in your chicks. Yes.
Wow. Have you gotten challenges with them so far?
No, not yet. Actually, the way they were young, I had even got scared, but since I got them, I haven't got even any challenges. They are very active, they are well, nothing, no one, they are all well. I have never lost any.
Wow, interesting. All right, thank you so much. For those of you who want the details on how she actually secured this package here, of course it came with at a little fee, which is understandable. You stay tuned because we are going to visit the person behind this initiative, and that person will give us the details. However, I'm so happy for you, and I promise I'll be checking on her to see how she's doing. She has raised chickens before, like she has mentioned, but of course this is now a new breed. So we shall be checking on each other to see the progress. All right, that has been my friend, and we are here trying to transform our communities. All right, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.